This is a tutorial on how to do the subscripts and superscripts on the web version of Microsoft Word. To get there, type office.com as the URL. Click on Sign In. You may be asked to enter your login Camosun student ID. This will be C0 with 6 more digits. Log in with the ID credentials C0XXXXX at intra.camosun.bc.ca. Then enter your password. Choose the Microsoft Word icon.
Here I will show you how to do subscripts and superscripts. And also how to use the equation editor to put in math equations.
Let's start with a molecular formula that needs subscripts C8H10O2. Left click and drag to highlight the number, then click on the 3 dots for more font options. Click on the subscript and then click on the subscript again to undo. Alternatively, for both subscripts and superscripts, you can choose the action, then type in the number or symbol. For example, in NaCl, first click on the 3 dots, choose superscripts, and then type in the plus or the minus.
How about formula? The dilution formula C1 times V1 is equal to C2 times V2.
Rearrange to find C2. Click on Insert Equation.
On your right, there's an equation tool. Click on the structure, then the fraction. Type in your variables.
Then click to insert.